Hi, I'm Chris Labby from HRP Associates, here to do our monthly vehicle inspection, and helping me today is Eric Slater. First, we'll take you through each item on the checklist and tell you why we do each one of them. On our list here, you can see that each item gets checked off if it's good, or if it needs to be repaired or replaced, there's an additional area for notes. This is our form that we go through. We start with the vehicle. It's a 2023 Ford van, inspected by CJL. Today is 3/2/26. So first item we start with, you want to make sure appropriate paperwork is in the vehicle. Obviously, you want to have your registration, insurance card, and instructions if you're in a vehicle accident. That can be found in a 3-ring binder in between the middle of the seats. Next thing we look to do is we look to make sure that your license plate's in the front and the back if their states require it, and that they're fastened tight. Then we'll go over to the tires and make sure they're properly inflated. You can do a visual check, and anything that looks a little iffy, you can break out a portable tire inflator, and you can actually check it and then look in the door jamb and inflate it to the proper PSI that you need. Spare tire is important too. You want to make sure that that's got air in it. A lot of times it is underneath the back of a truck, or in this case the van, it's also in the back. You want to get down and kind of give it a test, give it a little push, make sure there's air in it, or if you even have a valve tester, you can check the PSI with that. Next, we move on to check in the windows. You want to make sure windows all around have no cracks. Make sure the mirrors are intact. That's the side view mirrors. Wipers are working. We check the wipers. You can even see if you have fluid, washer fluid if you need that. Next, you're going to start doing brake tests. This is where it's helpful to have another person involved to help you with that. We checked the brake lights, found out that the upper brake light is out. We will schedule that for repair within this next week, and it will not be going out to a job site until it's repaired. The tail lights, and it moves on to the headlights. Turn on headlights. High beams. Good. Back to low beams. Signal lights. Right. Good. Good. Emergency lights. Good. Give the horn a little toot to see if that's working right. Next thing you want to do is test the brakes, see if they feel spongy and all, but also it's another secondary check on to see if the brake lights are working. Now we start looking inside the vehicle to make sure you have some safety items like the first aid kit. You want to make sure you have the fire extinguisher, but not just the fire extinguisher. You want to make sure that it's in the green and that it's got it charged, not expired. And you also want to make sure it's secure. Next thing you want to see if you have a spill kit available. In case you're on a site, you can respond to some smaller spill. QR codes are for our internal use, so we won't be showing those today. Make sure any items, including items that are just in the vehicle going to your job, that they're secure. Next thing you look for is extra things, equipment that you might have. This last one on our checklist, valid state inspection stickers. It might not be applicable depending on what state you're in. So on the back of the form, we also have a revision log. It's important not only for our safety program to keep up with our vehicle safety, getting to and from sites, but it's also pertinent for our clients that we have proper equipment and proper vehicles to get to and from their sites and to drive on their sites. Here at HRP, we value the safety of our employees above all considerations. Therefore, vehicle safety is incredibly important to us. In our line of work, if you get injured, most likely it is related to vehicles. Clients have asked us to develop this program to keep our vehicles in check, inspected, and our employees safe. As you can see from our revision tracking, this is a program of continuing improvement. Thank you for watching. Hopefully this will help you improve and set up your own inspection programs. Continue watching, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications. Stay inflated, my friends.